Hello friends, today we are going to do something with SolidWorks like that. It's free plate. We will make it by loft feature, which you need two planes with two sketches. We will make a plane at first parallel to top with distance 70 millimeter. After that we choose top and sketch the base, which is circular with diameter 120 millimeter. Okay, after that we choose plane 2, sketch, make a circle with 200 millimeter line, convert it to construction geometry, make a circle which may be 20 and make circular pattern from that circle about that circle in a degree which may be 45 degree, and increase circles maybe like that, make that 20 and reduce that as we will 22.5, 25 scale. After that we choose trim and make trim for all that circles. Okay, and make another better. We should first trim that and make circular pattern about that point or that circle of that arc and that arc with number equal to 22 and choose trim that and that, also that, and that. Maybe vanished if we choose a specific dimensions, but as it just a version. After we finish the trim, we go to features and choose loft. Loft feature need two sketches at different two planes. We delete the first and the second is that. To make it look like that free plate, we should go to options or start and end constraints, normal to profile, also at end constraint, normal to profile, and decrease end to minimum value, which equal to 0.1 and press OK. Hide that plane and choose that surface and shell with 0.5 millimeter. Okay. That's our free plate. We may choose from appearance, glass, frosted or clear glass, like that, and also we can choose from scene, studio or presentation, kitchen, and put it here and turn on perspective view. After that we can make render. It will take some time. After we make a render, it will look like that, and you can change the color to that color. I hope that you like that tutorial. Thank you.